We've been working away in the background to bring a longer class series out for our more established stitchers, so today we have the Goldwork Pear Class Series to bring before you. In this 4-part series we will be teaching you a range of traditional goldwork techniques. This class is aimed at stitchers with some embroidery experience who may or may not have necessarily done goldwork before. If you've already taken our introduction to Goldwork Cherry, then you're pretty much in a perfect position, but it's not a requirement. We will be building good foundations with paddings and raisings, adding smooth surfaces with applique, creating texture with chipping, couching and cutwork before we work on the finishings like plunging and purl edging. As always, we've prepared kits for you so you can jump right into the fun bit and get stitching. There will be deluxe and mini kits depending on your existing equipment. We will also be offering bundle packages, which brings you your choice of kit and all the classes into one transaction with a discount. Or you can buy each class as they're released on Fridays over the course of the next month. You know what to do. Head to the London Embroidery School website to make your selection.